Are you watching Blue's Clues?
You've got a book. That's one of my favorite things to look inside. Oh, I love these kind of books. You pull the tab.
Where's Blue?
See what's inside.
Isabel, where's Blue?
Boys, the
There he is. There she is.
book out of fur.
Do you see Blue on TV? Where's Blue on TV?
Yes, bunnies live inside burrows.
It's time for
There.
But where's
What does she say?
my
Bow! What does Blue say? Bow!
Just get into that book.
Can you dance with Blue?
Let's go to
Can you dance with Blue?
skip. We can do. Wow. We're in the pull tab book.
Sammy the squirrel is supposed to have lunch with me, but I can't find her anywhere.
Do you love Blue? Is Blue your new favorite?
She lives somewhere around here.
Can you give Blue a kiss? Not the TV. Where's your Blue?
Maybe Sammy the squirrel lives.
Where's your other Blue? Where's Blue that you're holding in your hand?
What would a squirrel live inside?
There's a Blue in your hand, you nut. Your other hand. Where did Blue go?
Tree. Let's see. Pull the tab.
Sammy! Morning! Hi!
There's Blue.
Who's inside?
Where did Blue go? Where's your Blue? Is she in the stroller?
Some squirrels.
Blue. Blue, can you throw her a kiss? Do you love Blue?
There's a beaver inside that
Do you love her? Yes?
Yeah?
Yeah? Is she your friend?
inside that pond.
She
Come on,
is.
Sammy, it's lunchtime.
Oh, that's right. Blue is a dog. She barks. Woof, woof.
Where can I find